in 2 hours, this palace will go on fire. You no fear. You get mind, come my papa house, come marry me with bad intentions. You won't use me to do sacrifice. That will not reach you. You send people, come buy my papa. I swear to the gods, your life goes spoil today. The wine.
Ipeka. You are nothing but a pigeon. Thinks itself a bird. You can't stop me. I am the king, and I will continue to reign in power and in glory. You should have kept running. I swear, I must sacrifice your head so that I will keep reigning from glory to glory to glory. You can't stop me.
The lion stands no chance before a god. Igidi! I submit myself to your never-ending powers. Let your strength envelop my body, soul, and spirit. Suba, the people of Akuba will know your secrets that you've been hiding for decades.
Your Majesty, the bride has arrived. They are waiting outside.
I will be with them shortly.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
For me to have a smooth ride as a king, I will. The throne is mine. Nobody, I repeat, nobody can take it away from me. Not even that rascal. Ndị be anyị ekene m unu. Rienu. Ṅụọnụ. Kwezuonụ. Your beauty is beyond human comprehension. Welcome to the Asian kingdom of Agoba. Rise. My people, I hereby officially present my wife and the great queen of this kingdom, Oge.
My son. You're welcome. You're welcome. So, how did it go?
You go where? But the enjoyment plenty. Enjoyment.
I would have loved to be there. Only these my health issues. So, what did your sister give to you?
You don't give me anything, no. She don't even see me. She don't even see me. She don't see me.
I don't understand. She did not give you anything.
No, they don't even give me food initially. Now me go there, go shout for them. Tell them why a white person like me go come my sister wedding. You know, go give me food. You say they count people where they go give.
Why?
It's one person per food, one person per food. They give me now. You know that you no come, no food for you.
So you mean you did not bring food for me?
No.
Your sister did not give me food.
She don't even see me. crowd. They call her my queen. She dey queen from here to there. So I go meet the people wey dey in charge of food. They give me 2 food, but meat no dey inside.
It's good at least you brought something up. But then, you mean you don't have meat in the food?
The crayfish, plantain.
They ate it or they did not give you?
They no put am. Like they no put am. No plantain, no salad, nothing. Only straightforward rice na dey. The rice straightforward.
They did not give you meat in this rice, or you did something to it?
No, nothing happened to the meat. If let's say them, their meat finish. You be like, but this one wey dey here now, they no put meat. Nothing to collaborate with. You just na straight up rice.
Yeah.
Make
Please take it inside.
I know, just lose appetite, please.
Yeah.
Lose appetite.
How can they give you food without meat? Ha! The way go.
Baby, what's with the long face? Not even a greeting.
Tell me, why should I greet you, Nonso? Why should I greet you? No, so is this how you do your own love? Is this how you love somebody's daughter? Eh?
What have I done this time?
What kind of stupid talk is that? No, so since the past 2 days I've not eaten. Since the past 2 days, nothing has entered my mouth and you call yourself my boyfriend. You can't even do anything for me. You can't even provide for me. What are you here for? Eh? What are you in my life for?
Why are you talking like that? You know I'm trying my best with you. I've been providing for you. I've been doing my best with you. Look at my shop. My shop is going down. I'm just trying to balance myself here.
Balancer. Only God knows when you're going to balance in your life. Because I came to pack provision before hunger will kill me in this state. Take. This is what I want. What is God?
Now, this is too much now, baby. Look at. Are you sure you're the only one consuming all of this?
I don't understand. Go and pack, let me go. I don't have time for this. I will have issues with you.
This is much.
No, so go now.
This is a lot now.
Go.
Look at my shoulder. I'm not even sure I have all this. See, but if it's Gary, you start with Gary. Let me see what I have.
Gary kill you. I won't get a Gary ever. My boyfriend will have stuff filled with provision. I will die of hunger. Be fast, though. I don't have time to waste. Be fast. Nonsense.
Good day.
How are you? What can I get you?
Please. Me and my daughter, we are very hungry. Can you help us with something? Anything at all?
I just opened my shop now. I never Twitter, I never sell anything. Eh? It's a fee given now.
We'll manage even the least.
Okay. I can give you some foodstuffs if you have something to cook with. Is it okay?
No, we don't. We came from a very far community. Please help us.
Shit, I never. This morning now, eh? The morning one I want to give Mama Ejima when she bring me snacks. But I hold this one first. Hold this one. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. Make I bring you small thing, eh? So that you guys can use and arrange. Huh? Wait for me. Sit here. Give me 1 minute. Yeah?
Chidebere. Why are you sleeping here by this time?
Chambi, why are you sleeping? Now you get sand. I been in your land, I can't lie down, but tell me now, why did you stop my sleep? What be this?
Do not talk to my mother like that.
Do not talk. Your mother knows I get issue. As I get family problem now, so your mother knows. I want to come disturb my sleep. I no get joy, you. I beg.
Tell me, what is your problem?
You know if you do am. You am say tell me wetin. You know if you do am. As you see me and my papa, we get issue. I chop my papa trepa. No be say I move am trepa. The thing now don't hook me for neck. And I no fit swallow the money again. And why I come there now they meditate. My feel know wetin the softness.
You stole from your father, didn't you?
Champ, you stole from your father. Stole and collect na the same thing. Na two type of English be that. I collect my papa trepa. Only I no stole.
You shouldn't steal. It's bad.
So all this my book of a Bible story, one of the recite here since. Now make I no steal, make I no stole. Now why una come disturb my sleep? Wey be say I don't dey cross border. Where they enter Australia. Which kind bebele una come be now? Wetin dey sup? No try am again, no. No, don't try disturb my sleep. No try am again. Maybe you don't get problem. Which kind matter be that one? You are serious, oh. Now one pa. Thank you. You go appreciate them. If you know I appreciate them, I go help them appreciate it. When I'm done, I go give them the money. Don't you pressure me. Thank you. You go give person money, you go give a condition. Thank you. When I try, one bar, you will reach something.
My friend, how are you feeling settling in?
It's been a long day. I'm very tired.
Sorry, but I hope that won't stop me from making love to you.
I'm sorry, my king. We can't make love. I'm really, really tired. I'm stressed out. Probably some other time, okay? In no time, you have me.
Alright, that's fine. Let's sleep.
What is going on? Eh?
There is something buried underneath the floor.
Something was buried here?
You can't see it. Find it out yourself.
Listen, if na place, stop am. I no like am at all, no vex me. You just interrupted my sleep. You tell me say something was buried here. Since morning I never rest. What is it? I'm not seeing anything. What is it?
I am serious. Check it out.
Check what out? Did I break the concrete?
Baby, what is it? My queen, was that a nightmare?
Yes.
Sorry. What was it all about?
Nothing. I'm sure this whole stress is messing with my brain, but I'm fine. It's just a dream.
Alright, it's okay. Let's go back to sleep, yeah? Come. Are you sure you're fine?
Yes.
Do you need water?
No.
Alright, come.
At least, if I collect some money from that my wretched boyfriend and add to this one, oh my god, it don't be. I'll get myself a new phone. Since I cannot have a new phone, she too cannot have a new phone.
House? Is there anybody at home?
Who you define? Anybody? What's up?
I'm looking for your father. Is he at home?
Wetin happen?
I want to see him. Is he at home?
Na me be my papa, and my papa be me. Who you define?
I'm looking for your father. Is he at home?
Pass the message, give me.
No, I want to see him. Is he at home?
Eh?
I want to see him. Is he at home?
Na me you dey see na. I no be like my papa.
Call him for me.
Follow me talk na. I need message. You pass and give me.
Follow you talk. I want to see your dad.
You know there na. You know there.
Let me.
No, you don't go enter person like that. 2 step back first. 1, 2. Pass message, give me.
I want to see him. Let me just see him.
You know there na. Pass the message, give me.
No. I want to see your father. Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir. My father said I should give you this, the money he borrowed from you.
That's thoughtful of him. So how much is there?
5,000, yeah.
5,000, eh? Yes. Thank you very much. Okay. Greeting from me, eh?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye-bye.
She's here.
Greetings, my elders.
Greetings, Lolo.
My king, you sent for me.
Yes, my lovely queen. Oh no, please bring her up to speed.
Lolo, as new married queen in our kingdom, according to our tradition, you have 2 tasks to carry out before the crown will be sealed on your head, and today marks the first one.
My queen, let me expatiate. It's not even a task. It's just a ceremony. Yeah, you go to the market, identify with your fellow women. It's just a casual ceremony to seal your position as the queen, okay? You can handle that.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Today is Eke market day. That is our own market. You have to go to the market, greet, enjoy, dance with the women in the market. They will now know that this is their queen. Huh? That's the first task.
I like it. When do we leave?
We go now.
How are you?
Nah, I did fine. Now your shop I dey go. This one you just dey work out. Wetin this up man?
I hope everything is fine. Do you want something?
You dey ask me whether I want something. You can't give me my normal.
Your usual, eh?
You can't give me my normal routine.
Don't worry, I'm coming. Let me rush house. I forgot something at home. I want to go and get it. Eh? Just sit there. I'm coming.
Person dey there.
Nobody did there. I'll just sit down for front there. I'm not going to take time. Even good self say you did there.
No, you know good anything. More go. I need this in urgent.
Chede.
Kamtachi, Osa.
Chede be going. I will meet you there. No, I will not take time.
Because they don't take time. No be one round. They won't go collect.
I'll be back.
Police, bro.
Yes.
Why are you following me about? Huh? Leave me alone. You're disturbing my life. What is it? I go deal with you. I know well. Go ask question. I go deal with you even if you be ghost. I don't care. What's your problem?
Tonight, I will show you something.
What do you want to show me? Don't show me anything, I'm tired. You are disturbing my life. Stop following me about. Ogini, what is it?
You'll find out the truth soon. Just be ready when I come.
Which nonsense truth? Don't come anywhere. Don't disturb my life. Ogini.
Your Majesty, we have been talking to someone, but I can't see anyone.
No, It's fine. Let's go. Oh, okay. There's the selfie. Together. Turn it. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Love you.
Love you too.
Miriam, why are you shouting in my house? What is it? What is it?
Where is my phone, Abigail?
Your phone?
Where is my phone?
What do you mean by your phone?
Oh, don't you play dumb. You think I don't know? Where is the phone you took at the office today?
I don't know what you're talking about. I didn't see your phone.
What do you mean you don't know what I'm talking about? Oh, you are judging me by my Christian name, right? Listen, I am a traditionalist and I know you took the phone. Where is my phone?
Miriam, if you don't have anything reasonable to say, get out of my house.
You think I'm joking, right? You think I'm joking? Boys! Boys! Come and pick this girl! Boys, where are you?
If I cover your eye, you then mad. Come on. What's in the happen here? What is happening? Why are you people beating her like that?
Listen, this stupid girl stole my phone and sold it for the sum of 40,000 naira. Now she's in debt of 60,000 naira. Listen, she brought us here so you pay the money. Pay it, let me leave here.
Don't talk like that about my girlfriend. My girlfriend is not a thief.
As how now?
So wait. Yes, she's right. But I told you I needed a new phone for myself. You refused to buy for me, so I had to steal her money to buy the phone.
Abigail. So you stole from them because I told you I didn't have money to buy you a new phone.
It's your fault. It's your fault. I told you I needed a new phone for myself. I can't continue using that old phone. I told you.
Oga, listen. I don't have time for this rubbish. Give me my money, let me leave. I swear to Osolugwa, if you don't give me my money, what we have done to her will be worse.
It's okay. How much is the money?
60,000.
Plus boys on.
Now so.
Leave her.
Abigail, I don't like this thing. I don't like this thing you are doing. Abigail, how could you? Huh? Why are you so bent on making life difficult for me, Abigail? What is this? What has come over you? You even go as far as to steal, Abigail, really?
No, it's all your fault. You caused it by letting me do things by myself. Knowing fully well, I don't get paid anything tangible in my service here. You can't even stand up like a man for me. What is your problem? Nonsense.
Yeah, this is all you've got to say, Abigail. Like, this is all you've got to say. Look at what your nonsense cost you. The embarrassment, the shame. You sit here thinking that I'm the only one that is taking the shame, Abigail. Listen, you are also partaking in it. I'm telling you the truth. Imagine what that young girl will go and tell people about you right now.
Whatever she says, it's all your fault. Okay? No, so you are the worst boyfriend I've ever seen all my life. Are you not ashamed of yourself for letting me go through all of this because you refuse to carry your duties? Wait, is this how we're going to get married? Like this? No, like this.
Abigail, I'm ashamed of you. I'm ashamed of you. Look at you. Look at you.
It's your fault.
Really, Abigail? you move, if you... Well, go. Wait.
What's happening now?
Where are you coming from? Aya, one will jump.
Eh?
I said jump like a frog to that place. I will kill you here now. Aya! What's up, Okay, move. You want to kill me? Move. Want to kill me? I will not die for you. Okay, move. Move here. Go. I said go. 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 I said
my
move.
waist. Papa, my waist.
Your waist? Is that your waist?
Papa, my waist, Jesus.
Where are you coming from?
Yeah.
Where are you coming from?
Eh?
Where are you coming from?
I go collect my daily routine.
Your daily routine?
Yeah, my normal daily cra.
Your daily cra? Your daily cra?
Yes, Papa.
You went to collect your daily cra?
Yes, Papa. No, normal something. This one where you okay like this, like say you just enter military new. You won't blame my eye. When you go to this compound where you deposit, you see long cane where you carry.
Oh yes, shit, you said it right. There is a two-legged goat in this compound that I want to kill this evening. Until that idiot two-legged goat tells me what I want to hear now. Yes.
Papa, you dey speak in parables. This way you talk, I don't understand. Go straight to the point. Not the neck by the head, I be the head by the neck. Anyone, you dey confuse me. Goat not dey this compound. Say.
Yes, let me go straight to the point.
Bam.
Chid, give me my money you stole from my room now. Yes.
Money.
You say money? Give me my money now.
You dey accuse me wrongly. Oh, it dey for constitution. It's a bad offense. You can be jailed for it. Big offense. You know what you say that accuse person wrongly. I don't see your money don't see me, Papa. You don't accuse me wrongly now.
Chidi, give me my money or I will kill you alive here. Give me my money.
Kill the cat.
I said give me my money.
Because of chicken change, money won't even they reach buy one cup. You won't kill me because of money will be say normal slim tie. You know they reach coordinate them.
Chicken change. Oh yes, give me that chicken change. I want it.
Eh?
Give me the chicken change.
I don't use that place normal to odd to uplift the money.
You use my money to play normal 2 odd to uplift the money?
Sure odd. Normal 2 sure odd.
Normal 2 sure odd. To uplift it.
Yes. Maybe for be 4,000. So if I pay you back your 3,000, I go 1,000 again.
Shady, give me my money. I will kill you and tell people that I killed you because of 3,000 naira. 3,000 I will kill you, yes. Give me the money.
Because of small money, you traumatize me like this.
You don't want to give my money.
Oh, yeah, do the counts. Breathe in.
Your
baby go rise, oh. Your baby. See, your baby rise, your baby go rise, oh. Your baby go rise. You don't go here. Your baby go rise. I know what they tell you. See you see baby. Your baby go rise. This man. Your pikin go follow. I know what they talk. Your baby.
You see me, your tongue up and down.
Nothing, sir. Now your baby are the one.
Give my money. I say, give my money.
Calm down, now.
I will jump here. And catch you. My queen, how did it go?
There's something I would like to discuss with you.
What is it?
First, I thought it's something that shouldn't bother me, but now I'm worried.
My queen, what is it?
A spirit is following me around. Don't give me that look. I know what I'm talking about. I saw this spirit in my dream. Now I see her in reality.
A spirit? Okay, what does the spirit look like?
She's a little girl. I don't know what she wants from me. I'm scared.
Baby, you sound strange. Are you sure this is not as a result of stress?
I'm telling you the truth. This is not stress. I don't know. I'm just scared.
Scared of what?
of this spirit following me around.
Oh no, what happened?
Your Highness, I'm not sure the Queen is mentally stable. I noticed her change of countenance in the market, the way she was dancing with the women. And as we were coming back, all of a sudden she stopped the car, came down from the car and started speaking to the wind. As if someone invisible visited her. I have no explanation to that, Your Highness.
She complained about seeing a ghost.
Ghost? Who is it?
I don't know, no. But nevertheless, we must hurry up with the rites. One down, one more to go.
Fabunkata obuchuba nwabialo wona ba. Habukwa megbe chuba nwabialo wona ba. Ejana bisije. Ejana o. Isi mama ntokwa nezi. Obiali jewuna o. Ejana bisije. Ejana o, ejana o. Isi mama ntokwa nezi. Isi mama.
How is this possible?
You allowed yourself to be married to this palace. Are you that dumb? Did you not wonder, while a king this old and crippled is yet to be married?
I know he lost his wife years ago.
And suddenly he needs a bride.
Is there something you know that I don't know?
You are not here to experience luxury. You are surrounded by fire. Be careful of your next move. Your life may depend on it.
What do you mean? Can you explain? What?
Where are you coming from?
I don't understand. Am I not allowed to move freely?
It is wrong to answer my question with question. Speak. Where are you coming from before I flog the hell out of you?
Eh? You said waiting.
You heard me loud and clear. Answer my question. Where are you coming from? Else I will flog the hell out of you here and now.
Wait, hold this thing. It be like say the English one I knock now. It be like say they deceive you. You won't flog me. King Zuba, you be like say before you open your mouth talk, you know the reason, oh. You know they use your medulla oblongata. You can just open your mouth, wow. They throw away opata, they throw away dust. For your mind, now if you say you feel control me, be like say you dey craze.
What?
Go ask question, not well, oh. Now one bone I get. One single bone when strong, if I blow you, if I knock you, convulsion go hold you if you try to touch me. You dey whine? Go and check my records. Records don't lie. My files are intact. People who I don't wound. People when I injure, where blood they come out for their body, the records dey. You know how if you want make I open them for you, make it a siam.
Monkey they jump, now because say the trees they close. I am not interested in your past madness. I heard you visited your Onowu. What was that for? What business do you have with your Onowu? Answer me on that.
Why your conscience they judge you? Why? A clear conscience fears no accusation. Change, Igwe. Change, oh. So that you go feel they sleep well for nights. I'm not forcing make you marry me. Oh. Nobody forced you to marry me. I just consider you. I looked at your state and I considered you. I pity for you. You dey feel me? Not dey stress my life or I not get time for nonsense. So I beg give me this make I come up for here. Why?
I don't want you in my room.
Why?
I mustn't explain myself. I said leave my room. Or is it your room?
Wait, has it gotten to this level that you no longer want me in your bed?
Well, you should have thought about the consequences before running your mouth before my guard. Listen, I made you a queen. I placed the crown on your head, which I can remove if need be.
Listen to a man who wishes for big teeth should have big lips to cover them.
Well, a woman that refuses to understand the difference between courage and stupidity will always end up in the morgue. Now, get out of my room and don't make me say it again.
My king, the spies are ready.
Good. No one dares me. I want the entire people of Akala Kingdom wiped out from the surface of this earth. Burn down their houses. Kill their children, especially the male ones. Kill their animals. I want you to live everlasting pain on that kingdom. I hope my message is clear.
Yes, Your Highness.
That will never happen. My king, you're driving towards the wrong direction. This is unwise.
Are you sick in the head? Where is your sense of respect? How dare you speak without my permission? What gave you the guts to talk to me without my consent?
The people of this kingdom are my people. I will not watch you endanger your life because of some silly brag of powers and misuse of authority. Let me ask you, if he attack Akala today, won't he retaliate?
Do I look afraid? War is part of life. I am not scared of war. And you have no right to tell me what to do.
Whose head will be used to pay for your error, if not that of the innocent? There'll be no war in this kingdom, not under my watch. I will not be captured as a slave because of your arrogance and your unending quest for powers.
I don't have your time. Listen, my word is law. Do as I have instructed. Now!
Hey, come here! You will not do as he instructed. Send the spies back!
at him.
Stay there. There is a bad spirit hovering around you, which I'm not comfortable with.
Bad spirit? I don't know what you're talking about. Anyways, I came to let you know that I'll be traveling tomorrow to see my father and my brother. I'll be back in a few days.
I don't care about your family members. There is a spirit in you. You came into this palace with an evil spirit. Get rid of that spirit or stay away from me to avoid clash of forces.
Evil spirit? I don't know what you're talking about. Look, I hold no grudge against you.
I know what I'm saying. There is a spirit in you that irritates my soul. Get rid of it or stay away from me.
King Zuba, I have seen the direction that your so-called new wife will lead you to. It will end abrupt war. She will contend against you for the throne. She is strong-willed, backed up by her chi. You must repeat the sacrifice to maintain a smooth rulership.
I will sacrifice Oge.
You must sacrifice her for you to be able to regain your legs and to be able to walk again. Failure to do so, you lose the throne to her in the most shameful and chaotic way. Go and do what you must do now.
No, so I came to tell you that I need a phone. Not just a phone, an iPhone. All those 13 Pro Max, 15 Pro Max, or even 17 Pro Max preferable. I can't continue using this phone now. This phone is old-fashioned.
What happened to it? No, Abigail, tell me what happened to this phone and you don't want to use it anymore. Go on now.
You're asking me. No, you're asking me that question. So if they ask people with phone to come out, you expect me to come out? No, so are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not ashamed of yourself that the person you called your woman is using this kind of phone? If you're not ashamed of yourself, I am ashamed.
Abigail, I don't understand you anymore. You are the same person that gave me a bill the other time that I'm still running around to get the money to give you. Now you want to hit this one on me again. Abigail, be considerate now.
I don't care. All I want is a new phone. I don't care. All I want is a new phone. All I want is a new phone. Change my phone for me. Let peace reign. What is it? Is that too much to ask?
Abigail, there is no money for new phone.
There is no money for new phone.
Yes, now. I don't have money for new phone.
There is no money for new phone. So you're telling me there's no money for new phone?
Well, that's the one you are using. It's still working very well.
It's okay. It's fine. There's no problem. There's no money for new phone, right? It's fine.
That small shop of mine is where I get all the money to take care of you, to train you, to change, to give you the... Where are you going to? Abigail. Oh, look at that. Abigail. Okay. Look at you now.
So beautiful girl, what were you doing on that?
Oh, I was waiting for my cabman. You know all those cabman and their disappointment.
Yeah, I understand. They can be very annoying sometimes. Yeah. But I don't mind being your Uber driver. I can take you to wherever you want.
Are you for real?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, but how much am I expected to pay in return?
You don't have to pay anything. Just give me a little of your time. That's all.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, let's go.
Don't be too quick. So tell me, do you have any other plan after now?
Not really.
Okay. What about the money you promised me?
Don't worry, I'll give it to you.
Alright, let's go.
My queen, my bright and morning sun. Each time I look at your beauty, it lightens up my mood.
Your Highness, your words are sweet and kind.
They are also true. My queen, today marks your second and final assignment as the queen of this great kingdom.
Okay. What do you want me to do?
My people and the people of Akala Kingdom had a little misunderstanding, which they are trying to settle today. So I want you to be part of the settling process, as custom and tradition demands.
Which axis exactly?
They will be waiting for you at the boundary. The king of Akala Kingdom and his cabinets. They are already there waiting for you.
Is Ono not coming with me this time around?
Ono is already there waiting for your arrival.
Okay, I'll leave right away.
I know you love peace. Go there and make peace reign, okay?
Alright, my king.
Fabu nkata ọgwụ chụba nwa bịara ụwa na-agba. Hapụkwa ma egbe chụba nwa bịara ụwa na-agba. Eje anọbụ isi ije. Eje anọ. Isi mama ntụkwa n'ezi. Ọ bịara ije nwụ na. Eje anọbụ isi ije. Eje anọ. Isi mama ntụkwa n'ezi. Isi mama ntụkwa n'ezi. O metere ya buru. O metere buru. O metere buru. Oye metere ya buru.
Jacob, what is happening?
You can just find your way from here. Maybe take keke and you can go from here.
Jacob, did I do anything wrong?
I said go from here. Me, I have somewhere very important that I have to go. So you can go from here.
Oh, I see. Oh, because you've gotten what you wanted. You want to push me away, right? God will punish you. You see, my God will punish you, this man. You're a very wicked man. Wicked idiot.
It's your father that is wicked. Cheap girl. Stupid girl. So you expect me to go and drop you in your house? I don't have anything to do now.
I will swear for you. I will curse you. I will curse you. Idiot. Useless man. Out of this place. Get out!
What is wrong with you?
Are you mad? Are you a madman?
How did you want nonsense?
Are you a madman? How dare you call me? Are you a madman? Are you stupid?
Abigail, Please leave me alone. I don't have time for
I'm
this
not going
nonsense.
to leave you. Do your worst. I'm not going to leave you. What are you going to do? Are you stupid?
Abigail, leave me alone.
Leave you for what?
Leave me. I don't
Why
want
should
to
I
beat
leave
you.
Beat me, I will beat you back. Why should I leave you?
I don't want
Look
people
at
to
this
say
man,
that
oh.
I'm beating a girl.
Look at this man, oh.
What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you too? How dare you insult me in public like that? Are you stupid? Do you know who I am? A fine couple like me.
Abigail. Abigail.
Abigail what?
Wait.
Wait what?
You called me, you needed money to pay for what you did.
Uh-huh.
Am I the one that asked you to buy more than what you have money for?
Look at the rubbish coming out from your mouth. So because I'm dating you, I should be naked because I'm dating you. No, so. You know what? I'm done. I'm done with this rubbish called relation. I'm done with you. And don't you ever in your stupid life call my number ever again. If you dare call my number again, if you dare bring out your phone and call my number again, you see what will happen to you. You useless man. Idiot. Look, I'm dating you. I'm managing you. Useless.
Is it my fault that I'm dating Achalugo even a date? Must you kill me before you know that I'm trying my best? Abigail, what kind of nonsense? Am I the only one that is dating a fine girl in this community? What is wrong with you?
Is this the boundary?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Good. I want to see somebody. I'll be back shortly, okay?
Is everything alright, Your Majesty?
Yes, everything is fine. I just want to see someone.
Please, Your Majesty, you cannot go without us. That's the order from the king.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Okay, but like I said, I am not going to take much of your time. I'll be back before you know it. You can go with me to the person I'm going to see. Alright?
They're mad. Come on, get the fuck out of my front. Go and pay your head. You think I'm normal? Don't let this crown in my head deceive you. You're not well, oh. Don't be silly. No sense. Don't know the talks most one. I don't want to come. Since I wait.
Chukwu nọ nso. Chukwu nọ nso. Chukwu nọ nso. Why are you sleeping with your eyes open?
Sorry about that. I didn't know you were here. What can I get you?
Oh, I see. You do not remember me.
Please remind me, who are you?
I was here this morning with my daughter. You helped us with some money.
So how are you? How are you guys doing?
You're fine, all thanks to you.
Thanks to the gods.
I actually came here to thank you for giving me money and for helping me and my daughter. But I can see you have had a really rough day. Judging from your look and your countenance. Were you in a fight?
Something like that. But I'm fine.
Are you sure? Tell me. Maybe I can help.
It's okay. I don't want to bother you with my personal problems. I will be fine.
When you say personal problems, do you mean you were in a fight with a woman? Alright. I can see I'm right. But then again, I wonder. Why would a woman fight with a good man like you? Anyways, I know that you cannot control people's reaction, but you can control yours. What you do after the fight is what matters.
And what do I do after the fight?
Set your priorities straight to avoid it repeating itself. You are the man. Do not succumb to bully, and do not bully others. Tomorrow is pregnant. You are meant for greatness. You deserve better.
I'm sorry, Grandmaster. I am yet to get hold of her. Please give me more time.
I can see you clearly do not have any plan, since you find it difficult to catch her. Attack her spiritually.
How do I do that, Grandmaster?
Torment her out of her hiding place. Utilize the blood of those that have been sacrificed on the altar of the fraternity. The time is ticking.